Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a first impression on this new Medicube product. So without further ado, let's get started. This comes in a set from YESSTYLE and you need to get this Medicube HR Booster Mini in order to use this face roller, by the way. So let's talk about this H Booster Mini first. Just by the size, you can tell this is much more of a smaller version than the original one, and because it's smaller, it's obviously a little bit more cheaper than the bigger version. I will be looking at my notes a lot because, like I said, this is a first impressions and I'll be doing like a 1 month or maybe 2 month review after using this a little bit more, because I can definitely tell you, you're not gonna get like an instant finish or instant effect straight after using this just once. So I wanted to give myself a bit of like time to use it, but also tell you guys my first impressions and thoughts before I do my second video, if that makes sense. This one, it is much more of a portable glow booster because obviously it's much more lightweight and it's supposed to give you like soothing care for any troubled skin or even normal skin. It's supposed to give you like this glass skin effect where it's supposed to give you like this smooth and glow finish after using this as part of your daily skincare routine. So it obviously comes in like different mode. So it has like a red LED, blue LED and purple LED. With the red LED, it's supposed to give more like a sport care for any troubled skin. Then you have the blue LED, which I prefer and I've used that now. It's more of an instant glow and calming effect. I'm not so sure about the purple LED and I can't really find a lot of information so far. I think it's because this product is so fairly new that there's not a lot of information out there. So I try to find like more info bits here and there to compile, but hopefully when I do the second part, I will tell you guys a little bit more info on that. But for now, I've only used the blue LED. In order to use this, you just turn it on, and then it starts off with the red one, and if you want to change to the blue one, you just double tap it and then change to the blue, double tap, change to purple. If you want to intensify the level, it goes level 2, level 3, level 4. I love how it has like a sound. Level 5. So with this one, I'm a little bit of a wuss because I am scared of pain. And so with this one, it gives you a bit of like that static finish or a bit like that prickly finish. So to be honest with you guys, I've only used level 1 so far. I'm just a little bit scared and like things prickling my face. So I feel like, I hope that eventually after doing it like day after day, I will up my level a little bit more, because I know that I can't keep saying as level 1 in order for the effect to come through. They did recommend that level 1 is to do more on the gentle skin area rather than the outer part. For this roller here, it looks definitely bigger than this one, and it's because you have to insert this inside in order for it to work. And so once you push it in, the roller will work on its own with this button here. Same thing as well. And it has different level, and I can definitely tell you, I thought level 1 wasn't effective because I was rolling and I was like, oh, I can't feel anything, and suddenly there was like a huge static, and that shocked me. So, and it does pull your skin quite a bit. In my head, it makes me feel like I'm slimming down my face, like a gua sha effect, you know. So I would definitely recommend slowly up it as well, but I am a bit more scared with the roller than the actual booster itself, because I feel like the roller was, because it's dragging and giving that static effect, I was a little bit scared. So yeah, so far guys, I'm a bit scared overall, but I feel like the more I use it, I would definitely get used to the finish of it. But I'm looking forward to see the finish, and also sometimes this gets stuck. Just FYI, but don't freak out, just give it a hard shake and it will just come out. I do hope that you guys find this video informative. I don't think it is, but I just wanted to tell you guys my first impression, like literally my first impressions on it. And please let me know if you guys have tried this or you guys own the original, and your thoughts, and whether you guys see any impact on it, because obviously it's a very popular product, but I would love to know you guys, your thoughts, your pain tolerance, anything about it. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next update. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.